This is Adam.
And I'm the first person to climb Everest Base Camp with only my hand.
Di sini adalah untuk mengharumkan nama Malaysia di mata dunia. Terima kasih semua. Terima kasih atas sokongan anda. Malaysia boleh, Malaysia boleh.
What was your biggest struggle crawling through Everest?
The food. We can only survive on rara noodles and eggs.
So you had no physical struggles? Your arms?
Physical struggles, only the weather, because there it was so cold.
It's a beautiful morning here in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, Adam's hometown. We met up for a morning hike this morning and I have never felt more inspired in my life than by this man.
I was born premature and 8 months old. I had a high fever, and then along the ways at the end I had diagnosed with polio, and since then my leg from wrist up to the bottom is paralyzed, and I can only either crawl or pull myself on the floor. I cannot walk with my legs, I cannot run with my legs, I can only stand for a few seconds. There were some experts telling me that for me to walk using prosthetic leg, I need to cut them off. But I said to them, no, I'm gonna keep it.
His physical condition has never held him back from achieving his goals. A few years ago, he received a mass communication degree from the International Islamic University of Malaysia. But when he graduated, he wasn't sure what to do with his life until this one evening.
I opened up my Facebook and I saw a lot of people posting up pictures of them climbing and having a selfie on the peak of hills, peak of mountains. And then at that moment, I feel like something is calling me. I want to join them, I want to go on an hiking trips, and that's when it started. I like hiking because it gives me a way to push myself beyond the limit that I know.
Adam's dream is that he can uplift the spirit of other disabled people to chase their dreams.
Anything is possible if you set your mind to it.
This guy is truly an inspiration to all of us to never give up.
If it is possible, I want to keep hiking. I want to finish all the 7 summit, if it is possible.
A lot of people do not make it to Everest Base Camp with 2 legs. Adam did it with 0.
Alright Drew, catch you later. I got this mountain to climb.
Good luck, bro. See you on the other side. I'm Drewbinsky, and if you like my travel videos, please click subscribe and join me as I plan to visit every country in the world.